Hi there. Today I will show you how did I create this Archival page. I use some paints from Dyan Reavely, some dilution paints, and I also used Dina Wakley stamp. I also created a stencil myself, so I think that in the future I will make stencils my own. They are made of paper, and maybe for one time only, but I know that in the future I need to pay attention and not buy everything what I like, because I have so much stencils and I think 90% of them I only used once or maybe twice, so I will keep buying the only stencils which I know that I cannot create or make my own. So guys, I hope you will like it. I hope you will give me thumbs up and subscribe, share, and if you have any kind of questions, comments, please leave them below, and I will see you in another project. Bye.